Hello, how to solve t power t equals t power 4. We are solving for all values of t that satisfy this equation. Now, if you have a power x equals, let's say, a to the power of y. Now, we have a here and we have a here. I can have x equals y, comparing the exponents. So, we have t equals 4 by comparing these exponents. And this is fine. This is just one of the solutions, guys. Let's solve for the other values of t. And how are we going to achieve that? By making use of natural log. Natural log of t power t equals natural log of t power 4. If you have natural log of a power b, this equals b times natural log of a. Applying that property here, I'll have t times natural log of t equals 4 times natural log of t. Now, if you multiply this out, you have t natural log of t equals 4 natural log of t. So what I'm going to do will be to take this over here. I'll have t times natural log of t minus 4 times natural log of t equals 0. Now, at this point, I can factor out natural log of t because it's common. I have natural log of t times this divided natural log of t. I have t minus this divided natural log of t. I have 4 and this equals 0. From here, I equate this and this to 0. I have natural log t equals 0. And I also have t minus 4 equals 0. If natural log t equals 0, can solve for t by eliminating natural log. I have e power ln t equals e power 0. This cancel this. I have t equals e power 0. And e to the power of 0 is 1. I have t equals 1. Also, to solve this, I move this over here. I have t equals 4. This is impressive. We have gotten to values 1 and 4. Now, do you know that at this particular point, you can just also decide to divide the put part of this equation by natural log of t, and you have a solution. This cancel this, this cancel this. I have t equals 4. Are you seeing that? But we needed to move this over here to form an equation so that we can get two different solutions, which are 1 and 4. Now, I can also decide to solve this problem again using a different approach, but not totally different. But let me introduce you to this other method. I can decide to divide this by t power 4. I divide this by t power 4. T power 4 eliminates t power 4. I have 1. I'll have t to the power of t divided by t to the power of 4 equals 1. Now, if you have a to the power of n divided by a to the power of n equals a power n minus m, I apply same here. I will simply have t power t minus 4 equals 1. So what I'm going to do will be to apply natural log. I have natural log of t power t minus 4 equals natural log 1. Now, I can apply this. If you have natural log a power b, this equals b times natural log a, right? So the whole of t minus 4 here will come behind this. That means I will have t minus 4 times natural log of t equals natural log of 1. And from here, I have t minus 4 times natural log of t equals natural log of 1 is 0. Can equate each of these to 0. I have t minus 4 equals 0. I have natural log of t equals 0. To solve this, I will simply move this over here. I have t equals 4, that is my t1. To solve this other one, I raise this to the power of, I raise e to the power of this. I also have e power 0. So this cancels this. I have t equals e power 0. I have t equals e to the power of 0 is 1. So you see, we also have two different methods right here, or two different solutions right here. So guys, any of these methods are absolutely very correct. You can decide to use any of them. Remember the question, t power t equals t power 4. So we have two values, t equals 1 and t equals 4. You can insert these values right here. Let's start with 1. 1 power 1 equals 1 power 4. 1 to the power of 1 is 1. 1 to the power of 4 is 1. Is 1, not 4 is 1. In fact, 1 to the power of any number is 1, even 0. So that is that. Let's consider when t equals 4. You still make use of the same equation. T power t equals t to the power of 4. And t this time equals 4. So we have 4 power 4 equals 4 power 4, right? We can further simplify this. What is the value of 4 power 4? 4 is the perfect square, which is 2 power 2 raised to the power of 4 equals 2 power 2 raised to the power of 4. And if you have a power x raised to the power of y equals a power x times y, right? So that means this will multiply out, this multiplies out. And we are going to have 2 power 8 equals 2 power 8. 2 power 8, 2 power 8. What's the value of 2 power 8? 2 power 10 is 1024, right? 2 power 5 is 32, right? Then 2 power 6 is 64, right? 2 power 7 is 128. And 2 power 8 will be 128 here times 2, that is 256. So this is 256 equals to 56. That means 2 power 8 is the same thing as 4 power 4, which is 256. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Thank you and goodbye. See you again.